Hi everyone, I'm Chris. We are from Dream House. We are a one-stop renovation company. Actually, we not only do renovation and interior design, so we also have property management and also sub-sales as well. Okay, so about this inspiration, basically not much. Actually, it came from a holiday. So yeah. The most important for me is the criteria of a good design is not only just design. It need to be functional. It need to be very functional. It need to improve people lifestyle and make them comfortable living with it. I'm very grateful for my team. Okay, so everyone worked very hard to be here today. So I just hope keep it going. So let's have a good year next year to 2024. SRODA, we design.